Have you ever wondered how DNA tests uncover family secrets or why a blue moon isn't actually blue? What about the surprising fact that alligators can outlive us, or that Norway is home to a tunnel so long it feels like you're driving through the Earth itself? In today's episode of Let Me Share a Fun Fact, we're diving into a world of fascinating trivia, spanning from the depths of ancient Greek history to the heights of New Zealand's animal welfare innovations. You'll learn why cherry blossoms captivate millions, how sunscreen protects your skin, and even how tarantulas have developed a defense system you won't believe. Stick around, because these facts are guaranteed to spark your curiosity and maybe even blow your mind. The Queen Bee's reign, 5 years of royal duty. Queen bees are nothing short of extraordinary. While worker bees typically live for just a few weeks to a few months, the queen enjoys a regal lifespan of up to 5 years. Her longevity is a direct result of her unique diet of royal jelly during her larval stage, a nutrient-packed substance that prepares her for the demanding role ahead. The queen's primary duty is reproduction, laying thousands of eggs daily during her peak years. Without her, the hive's population would dwindle. Interestingly, a queen bee rarely leaves her hive once she has mated. Her energy is fully dedicated to maintaining the colony. When she begins to age or her fertility declines, the hive prepares for a successor, nurturing a new queen from a select larva. The balance of power in a hive is delicate, and the queen's health and vitality are central to its survival. Truly, the life of a queen bee is both fascinating and vital to the ecosystem. Canary's song, more than just melodic talent. The canary, with its iconic melodic chirps, is more than just a delightful singer. These small birds once held life-saving roles deep underground. In the early 20th century, miners brought canaries into coal mines to detect deadly gases like carbon monoxide. Their acute respiratory systems made them sensitive to even small amounts of toxic gas. If a canary stopped singing or showed distress, it was a signal for miners to evacuate immediately. This practice saved countless lives before modern technology took over. Beyond their historical significance, canaries are cherished for their astonishing vocal abilities. Their songs are not random, they learn complex melodies and can even be trained to mimic tunes. This unique blend of beauty and utility makes canaries stand out in the avian world. While their role in mines is now history, their legacy remains, a testament to their surprising impact on human survival. Victoria Falls, a natural masterpiece in Zambia. Zambia is home to one of the most awe-inspiring wonders of the world, Victoria Falls. Locally known as Mosi-oa-Tunya, or the smoke that thunders, these falls are a breathtaking sight. Stretching over 5,500 feet wide and plunging 355 feet into the Zambezi River Gorge, Victoria Falls is considered one of the largest waterfalls on Earth. Its thunderous roar can be heard from miles away, and the mist it generates often creates vibrant rainbows, adding to its magical allure. During the rainy season, the volume of water cascading over the edge is so immense that it produces a cloud of mist visible from over 30 miles away. Adventure seekers flock to the region to experience activities like whitewater rafting, bungee jumping, and even swimming in the Devil's Pool, a natural rock pool on the edge of the falls. Victoria Falls is more than a destination, it's an unforgettable encounter with nature's raw power and beauty. Cherry blossoms, a fleeting springtime marvel. Cherry blossoms, or sakura, are a symbol of ephemeral beauty and renewal. These delicate flowers bloom for only about a week each spring, creating an ethereal landscape of soft pink and white. In Japan, the blooming season is celebrated with hanami, a tradition of gathering beneath the blossoms to appreciate their fleeting beauty. This phenomenon attracts millions of people from around the world, transforming parks and streets into seas of floral wonder. The short lifespan of cherry blossoms is often seen as a metaphor for the transient nature of life. While their beauty is brief, their cultural impact is profound, inspiring art, poetry, and festivals globally. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, cherry blossoms also play a role in ecology, providing an early source of nectar for bees and other pollinators. Watching these flowers bloom and fall is a reminder to cherish the beauty of the moment before it fades. Alligators, masters of patience and longevity. Alligators are among nature's most resilient creatures. With lifespans reaching up to 70 years, these reptiles are a testament to survival. They've been around for over 37 million years, adapting to environmental changes that wiped out many other species. One of their most remarkable abilities is surviving long periods without food, sometimes months at a time. This is due to their slow metabolism and efficient use of energy. Alligators are also masters of patience in hunting. They remain nearly motionless in the water, waiting for the perfect moment to strike their prey. In colder months, they enter a state called brimation, similar to hibernation, where they slow down all activity to conserve energy. Despite their fearsome appearance, alligators are crucial to their ecosystems, helping control populations of prey species and creating alligator holes that serve as habitats for other animals. These prehistoric survivors are a fascinating mix of strength, endurance, and adaptability. Singapore, a visionary city in a garden. Singapore is a marvel of urban planning and innovation. Known as the city in a garden, this island nation has seamlessly blended dense urbanization with lush greenery. Despite being one of the most densely populated places on Earth, Singapore boasts vertical gardens, rooftop farms, and even supertrees, massive structures that mimic natural processes like photosynthesis. The gardens by the bay, featuring futuristic biodomes and a skywalk, are a testament to the city's commitment to sustainability and beauty. Singapore's success story is rooted in its vision for the future. With limited land and resources, the country has invested heavily in smart technologies, water recycling, and green infrastructure. This foresight has made Singapore a global leader in urban living. Beyond its urban achievements, the city-state is a melting pot of cultures, offering a vibrant blend of cuisines, festivals, and traditions. Singapore proves that with innovation and determination, it's possible to create a thriving metropolis without compromising the environment. Hey there! Are you loving these mind-blowing facts? If you are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us here at Let Me Share a Fun Fact. We've got endless fascinating stories just like these waiting for you, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. While you're at it, tap that notification bell so you'll always be the first to know when a new video drops. Let's keep exploring the wonders of the world together. Tarantula's defense, launching irritating hairs. Tarantulas may seem like silent giants, but when threatened, they have a surprising way of defending themselves. Unlike typical spider bites or quick escapes, tarantulas can launch tiny, irritating hairs from their abdomen as a form of self-defense. These specialized hairs, called irritating hairs, are barbed and can embed into the skin or even the eyes of potential predators, causing intense itching and discomfort. For predators like birds or mammals, a face full of these barbed hairs is often enough to make them think twice before attacking. This unique defense mechanism varies among tarantula species, with some producing more potent irritants than others. Although these hairs don't pose much threat to humans beyond skin irritation, they're incredibly effective in the wild. Tarantulas, despite their fierce appearance, would rather avoid confrontation, and this non-lethal tactic allows them to fend off threats without risking injury. This natural defense is a fascinating example of adaptation and survival in the arachnid world. Leatherback turtles, marathon migrators of the ocean. Leatherback sea turtles are the ultimate long-distance travelers of the animal kingdom. These incredible creatures undertake migrations of over 16,000 kilometers, journeying between feeding grounds and nesting beaches. Leatherbacks are unique among sea turtles. They lack a hard shell, which helps them dive to incredible depths in search of jellyfish, their primary food source. Their migratory paths can span entire oceans, from the cold waters of the North Atlantic where they feed to tropical beaches where they lay their eggs. Scientists are still unraveling how leatherbacks navigate these vast distances, but it's believed they use a combination of the Earth's magnetic field, ocean currents, and perhaps even stars. This epic journey, filled with challenges and hazards, showcases the resilience of leatherbacks. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these majestic travelers, as pollution, climate change, and fishing nets pose threats to their survival. The leatherback story is a powerful reminder of nature's wonders and the importance of preserving these migratory marvels. The science behind sunscreen, blocking the sun's rays. Sunscreen is more than just a beach essential, it's a protective barrier that keeps our skin safe from harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays. These rays are split into UVA and UVB, both of which can damage skin cells, leading to sunburn, premature aging, and even skin cancer. Sunscreens contain active ingredients that work in two main ways: chemical and physical protection. Chemical sunscreens, with ingredients like avobenzone and octinoxate, absorb UV radiation and convert it into heat, which is then released from the skin. Physical sunscreens, such as those containing zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, act like tiny mirrors, reflecting UV rays away from the skin's surface. Modern sunscreens often blend both types for optimal protection. Additionally, broad-spectrum sunscreens protect against both UVA and UVB rays, providing comprehensive defense. Applying sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days, is a simple but powerful step to guard against UV damage, showing how science and nature can work together to keep us safe. The mystery of the blue moon, a rare lunar event. The phrase "once in a blue moon" captures the rarity of this celestial phenomenon. A blue moon happens when two full moons occur in a single calendar month, an event that only happens every 2.5 years or so. Despite its name, a blue moon doesn't actually appear blue in color. The name likely originated from the Old English term "belu," meaning betrayer, as this extra moon disrupted the regular lunar cycles and traditional calendars. Blue moons are fascinating because they remind us of the intricate balance of our lunar calendar and Earth's orbit. Occasionally, atmospheric conditions like volcanic ash or smoke can cause the moon to look blue, though this is unrelated to the calendar phenomenon. Blue moons are a perfect reminder of the natural wonders that quietly unfold above us, inspiring stargazers to keep looking up. So, the next time you hear about a blue moon, you'll know it's a special moment worth enjoying. The ancient giants, sequoia trees, and their endless lifespans. Sequoia trees are living giants, some of the oldest and tallest organisms on the planet. Towering up to 300 feet and living for over 3,000 years, these trees are like time capsules, bearing witness to millennia of natural history. Found primarily in California, sequoias thrive in unique environments where conditions support their massive growth. Their bark is thick and fire-resistant, helping them survive forest fires, which actually play a role in their reproduction by clearing ground and releasing seeds. Sequoias are also remarkable carbon absorbers, playing an essential role in combating climate change. Walking through a sequoia grove feels like stepping into an ancient world, where each tree tells a silent story of resilience and adaptation. These trees remind us of the timeless beauty and strength found in nature. Their towering presence and longevity make them symbols of endurance, illustrating how nature can flourish over centuries when given the chance. Fish in diapause, surviving through water's absence. In some freshwater habitats, where droughts are a regular part of life, certain fish have adapted in a truly extraordinary way, by entering a state of dormancy known as diapause. This survival strategy allows them to essentially pause their lives, conserving energy while they wait for rain. Fish in diapause can survive without water for extended periods, often burrowing into the mud to avoid drying out completely. During this time, their metabolism slows down dramatically, and all non-essential body functions are suspended. When the rainy season returns, these fish wake up and resume their normal activity as if no time has passed. This adaptation is not just fascinating, it's critical for survival in regions where water can be scarce for months at a time. Diapause exemplifies how adaptable life can be, with species evolving incredible methods to thrive in even the harshest conditions. For these fish, patience truly is a matter of life and death. Norway's Laerdal Tunnel, a journey through the world's longest road tunnel. Norway is home to an engineering marvel, the Laerdal Tunnel, the world's longest road tunnel. Stretching an incredible 24.5 kilometers, 15.2 miles, this tunnel connects Laerdal and Orland, two picturesque towns in the fjord region. Built to withstand harsh weather and ensure year-round connectivity, the tunnel is a feat of design and function. Inside, drivers are treated to a unique experience, with specially lit caves every 6 kilometers to break the monotony and reduce fatigue. These brightly colored rest areas create a sense of openness, mimicking natural light and giving drivers a mental breather. Construction of the Laerdal tunnel took 5 years and involved extensive planning to ensure safety and stability in Norway's rugged terrain. It's more than just a road, it's a testament to Norway's commitment to innovation and accessibility. For those who love engineering wonders or scenic drives, traveling through this tunnel offers a glimpse into Norway's blend of practicality and beauty. Greece, where ancient history meets a living language. Greece, often called the cradle of Western civilization, boasts one of the richest histories in the world. From the birthplace of democracy in Athens to the epic tales of Homer, Greece's past has shaped countless aspects of modern life. But history isn't Greece's only ancient treasure. The Greek language is one of the oldest continuously spoken languages on Earth, dating back over 3,400 years. Despite evolving over millennia, modern Greek retains strong ties to its classical roots, making it a linguistic bridge between ancient and contemporary times. Walking through Greece is like stepping into a living museum, with ruins, temples, and theaters dotting the landscape. Beyond its historical and linguistic achievements, Greece is also famous for its vibrant culture, stunning islands, and delectable cuisine. It's a country where the past and present coexist beautifully, inviting visitors to explore its timeless heritage while embracing its modern charm. How DNA tests work, unlocking the secrets of your genes. DNA tests have revolutionized how we understand genetics, relationships, and ancestry. These tests analyze the unique sequences in your DNA, the molecule that serves as the blueprint for life. To begin, a simple sample, usually saliva or blood, is collected. The DNA is then extracted and processed in a lab, where scientists compare specific genetic markers against a database. These markers can reveal family connections, health predispositions, and even ancestral origins. For example, ancestry tests can trace your heritage by identifying regions where your genetic traits are most common. Meanwhile, health-related DNA tests may provide insights into genetic risks for certain conditions, enabling proactive care. Advances in DNA technology have also made these tests more accessible and accurate than ever before. Whether you're uncovering long-lost relatives or learning about your genetic makeup, DNA tests offer a fascinating glimpse into the intricate code that makes each of us unique. The Richter scale, decoding earthquakes one magnitude at a time. The Richter scale is a name many of us recognize, but how does it actually measure earthquakes? Developed in 1935 by seismologist Charles F. Richter, this scale quantifies the magnitude of an earthquake using a logarithmic system. This means each whole number represents a tenfold increase in amplitude and roughly 32 times more energy release. For instance, a magnitude 6 earthquake is not just slightly stronger than a 5, it's significantly more powerful. While the Richter scale is still commonly referenced, modern seismology has shifted to the moment magnitude scale, MW, which provides more accuracy for larger quakes. Despite this, Richter's contribution remains monumental, offering a simple yet profound way to understand Earth's powerful movements. Earthquakes remind us of the planet's dynamic nature, and tools like the Richter scale help scientists predict their impacts and enhance safety measures. It's a blend of science and necessity that continues to save lives and deepen our understanding of the Earth. Ireland, the heart of pubs, music, and mythology. Ireland isn't just a country, it's an experience. Known as the land of rolling green hills and ancient castles, it's also the birthplace of the pub culture that has spread worldwide. Irish pubs are more than places to grab a pint, they're community hubs where stories, laughter, and music flow freely. Traditional Irish music, played with instruments like fiddles, tin whistles, and bodhráns, fills these spaces, carrying on a rich oral and musical tradition. Ireland's folklore, too, is legendary, with tales of leprechauns, banshees, and the mythical Tuatha Dé Danann captivating imaginations for centuries. Beyond its cultural exports, Ireland is home to breathtaking landscapes, from the cliffs of Moher to the Giant's Causeway. It's a country where history and myth intertwine, offering visitors a taste of magic and authenticity. Whether you're raising a glass in a cozy pub or hiking through its rugged beauty, Ireland's charm is undeniable. New Zealand's pioneering care for animals. New Zealand is a global leader in animal welfare, being one of the first countries to appoint a Minister of Animal Welfare. This role underscores the nation's commitment to treating animals with dignity and care. The minister oversees policies and laws aimed at protecting animals from cruelty, ensuring humane treatment in industries like farming, research, and pet ownership. New Zealand's approach goes beyond basic welfare. It emphasizes the mental and physical well-being of animals, recognizing them as sentient beings capable of experiencing emotions. This progressive stance aligns with the country's broader values of sustainability and respect for nature. In addition to its wildlife conservation efforts, New Zealand has strict biosecurity measures to protect native species and ecosystems from invasive threats. It's a country that not only values its stunning landscapes but also the creatures that call it home. By championing animal rights, New Zealand sets a standard for compassion and responsibility in a modern world. That's a wrap on this whirlwind tour of amazing fun facts. From Greece's ancient language to the mystery of fish that hibernate, we've uncovered some truly incredible stories today. So now it's your turn. Head to the comments and tell us which of these blew your mind. Did you already know some of them, or was there one that stood out as your favorite? And don't forget to subscribe to let me share a fun fact for more bite-sized wonders about the world around us. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on learning something new and fascinating. See you next time, and stay curious!